Let's now shift our attention to what is happening in India. The COVID-19 infections are on the rise again. The country has recorded over 10,000 cases of infections in just the last 24 hours. And this is a 30% rise in the number of infections that have been recorded just since yesterday. Now, according to Health Ministry's data, the active infections presently stands at over 45,000. The daily positivity rate is now currently at about 4.42%. In comparison, the weekly positivity rate is now at over 4.02%. Similar to the previous COVID waves, it is the states of Kerala, Maharashtra and also New Delhi that are reporting the highest number of infections. It's also because it is in these states that you have the highest number of testing that is being done. On Wednesday, Maharashtra and New Delhi recorded over 1,000 cases of infections for the first time this year. States such as Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh are also witnessing a similar trend. Many states have started advising people to wear a face mask whenever they visit a crowded place. Hospitals have also been put on high alert in case of an emergency. The top officials in the Health Ministry have said that COVID infections have now entered the endemic stage in India. The cases are expected to rise for the next 10 to 12 days. A subvariant of the Omicron is said to be driving this latest surge. Now, this subvariant has interestingly been named as XBB.1.16, and its prevalence has increased from 21.6% in the month of February to about 35.8% in the month of March. But experts have clarified that it is not a cause for worry for people still. The current vaccinations are said to be effective against this strain of the virus. And also our correspondent Siddharth MP has been tracking the story very closely for us and has sent us this report. Listen in.
Over the last 24 hours, more than 10,000 coronavirus cases have been recorded across India, and we must keep in mind that in recent months, this is the highest ever spike that's been noticed. Numbers indicate that this is a 30% spike from the numbers that were reported almost 48 hours ago. At the same time, more than 40% of these cases come from two states in southern India. Of course, Kerala is where the highest number of cases is being reported from. More than 3,400 cases are being reported from Kerala, and in Tamil Nadu, it's more than 450 cases that are being reported over the last 24 hours. We have to keep in mind that in Kerala particularly, mask wearing has been notified and people are encouraged to wear masks, particularly in the hospitals, in public places and in gatherings. As far as Tamil Nadu goes, the government has only issued an advisory saying that people can wear masks and can take precautions. However, the rule has not been made mandatory. At the same time, in such scenarios, what is happening is that the COVID cases are being recorded, high numbers are recorded, but hospitalizations still remain low. The requirement of oxygen support, the requirement of ICU also remains low. However, there are a couple of casualties to COVID, and most vulnerable to this wave are the elderly people and senior citizens, and that is what the government is cautioning against and advising that senior citizens take extra care and precautions during these times. From Chennai, Siddharth MP, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.